Okay, so now that you have your seat off, we can show you how to get into the battery. So when you look down on here, you're going to say, man, it's a spaghetti mess. How the hell am I going to get that battery out of there? Dealers charge a lot of money for this, so this is definitely one of those deals where you can save some money. This is not hard. Watch how easy this is. Okay? So you're going to look down in here, and you can't even see the battery, but the battery is underneath all this stuff. Okay? Get all these wiring connectors, all this stuff going on. Don't worry about it. Most guys are taking these bolts out right here. Okay? There's two there and two here. You do not have to do that. Okay? That's not the right way to do it. There's a bolt back here, and hopefully you can see it down in here. That's the bolt you want. Okay? So, just going to take that out. Now, the one thing, you don't really want to drop this bolt down in there, okay, because then it'll go down into the depths of the frame, and good luck with that. Okay, so take that bolt out, and be careful because there's a washer on the bottom of it. So just pull it out. See that washer? Make sure you don't lose that, okay? So that, for the most part, is all there is to it. This thing is now loose, but it's still not going to lift up. You can't lift it up, and you're going to think, ah, there's a bolt, what's going on? So it's probably hard to see, but I'll try to point down in here. Right here, okay, and one on the other side that you really can't see down in here. All it is a little ear, and this will make more sense when I get it out of here. But all you need to do is if you look down on here, you'll see that little, it's in a little tab. So see it moving, okay? All you got to do is push it forward, kind of jiggle it, and you'll see it come out, and there you go. So these little ears right here are in this little, like a little slider, one here and one here. There's a little slot. So that's what that is. That's how it comes out. So there's your battery, okay? So nothing too difficult about it. You would take your terminals off here, okay? Phillips head or like a 10 millimeter wrench socket will get those off. So there's your terminals there. Here's your negative terminals here. And that thing will come out of there for you. See, it'll lift out, okay? So not a big deal. You don't got to be going to the dealers and paying all that money. It's pretty easy to do. If you want to put this back together, it's the same thing. Just kind of get this sort of lined up as best you can. What I like to do is put this corner in first because it's a little bit harder. So I put it in, and then you just go, put it ahead, slide it in that slot, and you're good to go. Put that back down, put your bolt in. That's all there is to doing that, taking that battery out. So when you look at all this mess and you say, my God, how am I going to get in there? This is crazy. It's that easy. It's not a big deal. You guys can do it. I know you can. So that is how you get into changing your battery. Thanks for watching.